Hey guys, so have you ever wondered how much data Discord collects on you, or you wanted more details about it, maybe turn it off or something, have more control over it? Well, if you have, well, then watch this video. Let me show you how you can have more control over your data, your privacy. So you need to go down here to user settings, then to privacy and safety, and scroll down here. So everything in this zone is about your privacy. So first option, you can turn it off, but pretty much it uses the information about how you use Discord and everything for analytical purposes. So pretty much it collects data on your settings in Discord, how you turn off something, turn on, blah blah blah, and it allows them to include you in new experimental features in Discord. And if you want to learn more about it, of course, you can click here and read more about it. Now, this setting down here collects info about who you talk to and what games you play and how you customize things. For Discord, it uses this info to customize Discord for you. If you want more info about it, again, you can click this blue thing here. Now, this is a beta thing, in-game rewards, drops. I don't really get how it works. There's probably more info on internet about it. But you can read this thing here, use the information about what games you play to tell you about drops, opportunities, and to complete drop quests. Now, I don't really know anything about drops. So yeah, I have it turned on, but nothing has happened for me yet. Now, one thing that I need to tell you. Well, Discord will pretty much always collect info on you. Even if you disable all these three options, it will still collect info about you. It's just that they need to see if you're doing maybe anything illegal, or that you're not in their terms of service and privacy policy. Maybe you're not respecting those. And that's pretty much how they ban you or disable you of their platform. So they're always doing this. You can always stop this by, well, disabling or deleting your account. And you can always check out the terms and privacy policy if you want to. You can also request all of your data that they're collecting on you. You just click here and they will pretty much take 30 days to collect your data and send it onto your email where, well, you can then check your data. You do it by this. You just press request my data, but right now I've changed my mind. So yeah, that's pretty much it. In conclusion, Discord will always collect data on you, and if you don't like that, well, then just disable Discord, I guess. Anyhow, guys, if you like this video, leave a like. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask. And if you want more tutorials just like this, subscribe. Have a great day.